So we need to have a much more details about the order flow, the order book, and what is going on in the short period of time. And that might be much more useful than the fundamental. Okay. Even though the fundamental might be a big driver to the gold price or maybe the dollar index of some sort, but it's not a really big deal in a short period of time. So everyone needs to be aware of that. Even though fundamental is actually quite good to learn about it, if we do learn something, if we do learn from fundamental, I think that gold market won't be going that much higher, to be honest. So I think I already planning to do shots on gold, maybe starting on not so sure. Starting on May. I do really expected that the gold market will be going that much higher because there's a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is that we can see the market risk aversions has been decreasing quite well. So we can see that market sentiment. So if we do really want to trade, we need to know what is currently market sentiment is going on. So currently we do see that the market sentiment is actually going quite bullish on it. So what can we refer, what market will be reflecting on it? So we can see that stock indexes is actually reflecting quite well, even though a lot of people thinking that it's actually what recessions and so on. But we do see that stock indexes wanted to break through a new high in apparently or gradually someday the price will be breaking through new high in just a matter of time. So I don't really expect that a recession is coming too. And from the data, we do see that the market is actually going quite well. So from now, we do expect that the stock indexes is going higher. So the risk aversions is actually going quite great. So the stock indexes has been going higher. Cryptocurrency is also going higher. And crude oil. Okay. So that's why I'm actually keep on telling you guys to buy crude oil. So why? Because you can see that crude oil is actually damn strong, comparable to other pairings. I'm actually looking through some stocks regarding on crude oil, maybe ExxonMobil or some sort. I think this might be a really good timing to do long on ExxonMobil or those kind of pairings, especially ExxonMobil. I do see that the price is actually going through some kind of a ranging momentum. So we just need to know know where to find out where can we buy on the cheaper price. And after that, we can actually get a really good pricing. But anyway, uh, going back, we do see that the risk assets has been actually going quite strong, like stock indexes, cryptocurrency, crude oil, or even on other pairings as well. Apart from that, we do see that the dollar index has been dropping quite much. So this will be also indirectly putting some kind of supports on maybe a buffer to stock indexes, Nasdaq, or even cryptocurrency as well. So from that point onwards, I don't really expect that the gold market will be going that much higher or maybe breaking through 3,500 or maybe even going higher. I'm thinking that from the incoming weeks or incoming months, gold it's much more likely to go through a ranging area. Okay, so usually if I do trading, I do letting you guys know this is a Elliott wave, something like ABC, but I don't really think it's actually quite useful on Elliott wave. Right now, we're just focusing on pricing and just know where can we do shorts and where can we do buy. That's it. Okay, we just need to determine where is the much more much more cheaper price, and then after that we can actually do shorts apart from that. Okay, so right now what can we see?